Hey, welcome to this mini lecture on Introduction to Usability Testing Facilitator. My name is Dino. What is a facilitator in a usability test context? Quote, it's one who encourages the subject's full participation, promoting understanding of the tasks. A good facilitator knows how to draw out exactly the right information from the participant without giving away the store. He knows how to use a very limited test time to focus on those elements that will be most important to the team of evaluators. That's pretty self-explanatory, so I will not explain further. There are two main facilitator roles. One is a tour guide. Here the facilitator tells participants what to do, keep them moving, and keep them happy, so it sort of keeps things on track. However, you're not going to be answering their questions about the website, so try not to do this, and participants have to figure out how to use the thing on their own. So if you have a site with buttons, various menus, etc., let them figure it out. Try not to help them. Second is the role of a therapist. Here, the facilitator makes participants verbalize their thoughts as they use what you're testing. So that way you can hear what they're saying, and it's verbalized out towards to you, and you can kind of just help them gently through that process. The main goals of being a facilitator is to externalize thoughts of the participants. You want to try to get their participants to externalize their thought process as much as possible. You want to hear what they're thinking so that you can understand what is confusing and troubling them, because that's the key for what the kind of information you're trying to get out. And your primary job is to keep them talking. Ideally, the more they talk, the more information they convey, the more that you can figure out what their motivations and confusions and whatever else that's happening when they're engaging with the site. Other goals are to prevent influence. You want to make sure as facilitator not to influence the participants. You want to act more like a therapist helping them through. You want to remain neutral so that you're not biasing how they're responding. You do not want to tell them what to do. That seems very counterintuitive and counterproductive to what you're doing. And you want to make sure that participants need to figure it out for themselves, whatever they're doing, so that will help you understand their journey through your website. Repetition is really important. You want to say the same few things over and over so that you're staying on task. It's similar to some of the points said previously. Many of the phrases you'll use when you're doing your facilitation work are the same ones that therapists would use. And then finally, you want to maintain ethics. You have ethical responsibilities to ensure that the process that you're going through respects the participants you're working with. That was Introduction to Usability Testing Facilitator. Thanks for watching. My name is Dino. Please feel free to like this video. Please feel free to comment, and please feel free to subscribe. Take care.